What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and me and my family are out taking the cargo trailer conversion to Fairystone State Park in Virginia. So far it's been a great trip. We're just starting our second night and we're camping, we're comfortable, a little messy around the campsite, but just going to show you some of the things that we got going on. Over here on the far right we have our own little charcoal stove, and we have the chicken a-rolling. Got a nice campfire going. And not too long ago, had a nice doe come running right up there, and my wife was able to feed it some biscuits, got quite close to it. And I'll add a little clip to it in this video right here.
It's okay. Shh. It's okay.
And also wanted to show you our shower tent. Now, with COVID going on, some of you may be concerned like we are and taking extra precautions when it comes to the safety of our family, and we're not really wanting to use the shower bathroom area. We'd rather have the security and safety of our own setup. So right here is a shower tent that we have purchased, and we always bring it with us. This side is for the shower tent, allows water to drain, but it collects anything else in this netting around the trim. So we have that as an option. And then I know some of you may have been concerned with our travel trailer cargo conversion not having any kind of bathroom set up in it like some campers do. But what we have inside here is a bucket with a toilet seat on it, so that we can use that as an option as well. And so that's what we've been using inside of here. Also, going to go around back here. And we have a small folding table my wife's been using for food prep and things like that to get everything prepared, and she had breakfast all laid out here for us. And then in the back, as you can see, the kitchen has been doing well for us. Washed all of our dishes, got everything put up and somewhat organized and ready to go. So just oh, and also wanted to show you guys the stabilizers. I can't remember where we picked these up at. Could have possibly been Amazon or Walmart, I believe it was. And we just have them on all four corners. These are not jacks, so don't use them as jacks. They're only for stabilizing. We have the leveler on the tongue. We adjust the level up and down, and then we use these just to keep it stable while we're inside. And also, I think I might have showed you guys this, but when we pull this down, we have jack stands underneath here that go right on the rubber grommets to just hold this platform secure, so we can get up and down into the kitchen area while we're out here camping. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys what we're up to, that we are taking the conversion trailer out camping, and me and my family are having a great time. So just wanted to show you what was going on, and if you got any questions or comments, just leave them in the box below. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.